Can't you open images, videos, or anything from your files, apps and keep getting? You need to authenticate before accessing this item. If you keep getting, you need to authenticate issues on your file apps. Follow only 2 processes. After that, your problem will be solved. So let's get started. Solution 1. Get permission for the file app to access. Open Setting. Tap the name banner. Tap iCloud. Tap iCloud Drive. Toggle on Sync this iPhone. If this is already toggled on, turn it off and turn it back on. Solution 2. Give access to pictures or videos from iCloud. From this iCloud setting, turn off the sync of this iPhone. Tap Remove this iPhone. Now tap Sync this iPhone. There you are! Before you do anything, please ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Now let's move on and try to get access to that file. Here the problem is solved. Please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.